Hello friends, today we will know about endometrial cancer, grading, staging and molecular classification. So what is grading versus staging? Grading is the how cells appear under the microscope, that is the cellular aggressiveness, whereas the staging is the spread of disease in the body. So grading is low grade where less than 5% solid growth, intermediate grade that is the solid growth between 6 to 50% and high grade where the solid growth is more than 50%. Further, automatically there are certain varieties of cancer which are labeled as a high grade and they are non-endometrioid type such as serous carcinoma, clear cell carcinoma, undifferentiated carcinoma and carcinosarcoma. Then third type of classification is based on the genetic profiling, that is identification of genetic signatures such as pole mutation, P53 and MMRD. So this genetic makeup further upstage or downstage the grading or maintains the stage to the same histological grading. Now we know that endometrial cancer FIGO classification underwent several revisions since 1951. Initially, it was the disease confined to the uterus stage 1. Then it is subclassified as stage 1A and B based on the histological features. And in June 2023, the FIGO Committee of Gynecological Cancer officially released the new classification system which incorporate many features. So this classification is expansive as well as intricate. So these additional features are like histological aggressiveness versus non-aggressiveness, involvement of lymphovascular space, cervical stroma, uterine serosa, and macro and micro metastasis to the pelvic and para-aortic lymph nodes. Then there is additional classification, molecular classification or genetic classification. So this has expanded the FIGO classification system from 9 stage to 21 stages. Now coming to the latest FIGO classification of endometrial cancer. So stage 1 is when the disease is confined to the uterus and simultaneous low-grade involvement of ovaries. It is further divided into stage 1, A, B and C. So you can go through the slide on the left side for further details of A, B and C. Coming to stage 2, where there is involvement of cervical stroma, significant lymphovascular space involvement and aggressive type of histology involving any depth of myometrium. Stage 3 is regional or local spread to the uterine serosa and adnexa. Stage 4 is advanced disease or spread to the local structures like bladder and bowel and distant spread to bone, liver and lungs. And again, we need to remember that in addition to the histological grading, clinical staging, there is new classification system which is included in this, that is molecular classification, and finally we decide the treatment based on all these three varieties. So you can go through the slide for further details. Thank you.